Good day, traders. This is Rick with your futures trading coach after market update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Friday, March 4th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Great day in the room, guys, today. We had two trades. Second trade you could have added on, or from the first trade we could have added on to get down to our targets. We did have a long here at this line. We did not take it because I wanted to wait for further confirmation. We then had another trade long. Some people got a couple points. Some people were able to stay in it if they had a little bit larger size. And you see the market went all the way up to our targets. For those people who were out, got a little bit here. We did get back in here, took it to our profit targets, and that was so far the high of the day. And we just closed the room because everybody was pretty much at their goal. It was getting late here anyway, so closed a few minutes early. I'm going to run through everything we did today. The first trade we had was an RS trade. 90 50. Some people took it at 91.50 when it came up, but 90.50 was where most people got it. That one went down to our target there of our ultimate target there of 84.75. 84.50, 84.75. Actually, I was expecting it to go down to 84.50, but I wanted to make sure everybody got filled, so I put it at 84.75. We also had another trade there, which was an understanding trade, short at 88, 88 short. Again, trying to get down to our target there, and then finally, I told everybody. If you were in from either one of these trades and still in, you can do an add-on. We could not do a new entry, but we did an add-on at 86, okay, to get down to our 84.50. So two opportunities with a potential add-on, and that was a beautiful short. At this point, I told everybody the market's probably going to go back up. We actually could have got long there around 84.75, 85. We waited. Some people got long at 9/4. Some people got long at 8.50. One understanding trade long, and that one went up obviously a couple points minimum, 2 to 3 points depending on your entry up to here. And then for those who can hold, I told everybody that this could come back. Actually, would turn into an S play. I told everybody it could come back, so you have to give it a little bit of room. Obviously, that was for larger size traders. Smaller traders would have gotten 2 to 3 points. And then that one went up, obviously, all the way up. We were looking actually at 93, just for people who are in from there. I don't think people held it all the way there. We had a new entry, but we had 93. I didn't mark that, but we were talking about it. And then we had another trade. We had a power play. We hit it twice, actually, for those who couldn't stay in the trade, who got a break even at the 10.03 candle, and then at the 10.06 candle, 97 long. And again, my targets were here the whole time. The circle one I put up after the second one, targets were 98.50 to 99, and then 2001.50 to 2002, and then my ultimate targets were up here between about 275 to 375. Actually went up to the top of my circle to the tick at 375, and that was the high of the day so far. Okay, and then that was it. Okay, everybody was out. A lot of people, half the room was out here. The other 90% were out here, or 40% were out here, and then people who just had an extra runner. Anybody who had more than one runner at this point was going to stay in, but quite a few people got out here at the 2001.50 area. And it was just a great day in the room as usual. So we're going to come back and we're going to do it next week. I want everybody to enjoy their weekend, and we'll see you back next week. Thanks, guys.